How to add email account in Outlook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you add email account in Outlook. To do it so, you want to make sure to open up outlook.light.com and log into your account. So when you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. So here, you want to click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. After which, you could see a pop-up menu, so go to account section. Then you could find the email account right on top. You want to make sure to tap on it. And once you do it so, you can find the add option right over here. Unfortunately, I do not have this option due to some reason. So what you all need to do, just click on add account option, and once you do it so, you want to go ahead and enter in your credential or the email address that you want to add, and you have to verify all that. And once you've done it so, refresh the application, and with that being said, you've successfully added account or email account in Outlook. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.